To generate new content using Content Plus, navigate to the Resource tab. Click the blue button titled Content Plus Generator. Select your grade level and NGSS standard. Name your topic, and choose a topic picture. Navigate through the options, and select the different types of activities and assessments you would like following the 5E model. You have the freedom to choose as many, or as little activities as you want. When you're done with your selections, click Generate using Content Plus. After a few short minutes, your new content is ready to use. You can find your new bundle under the Resource tab for that grade level in your Audi platform.